See if we have an 1.25" male adapter, tape and dope, throw it in there. Yeah, oh, that's probably all still in my van. I guess we can go grab those. All right. Do like black tees on both of these. This one's supply, one's return. And then that's gonna pick up our domestic side.
Bro, want some candy?
My expansion tank's gonna be on my supply side. I need the literature for this too. Shablamo. Yeah, I'll have to make a material list so I can, because I don't have enough fittings for what I gotta do here.
Oh man.
You missed those muffins this morning.
What you looking to get?
I'm looking to get an 1.25" by 1 inch Pro Press T. 6 1.25" Pro Press 90s.
You want 120, you said?
Mm-hmm.
Rotating flange?
Mm-hmm.
Sweat?
Press if I could do it.